of Rwanda. Or off and running.
Swat Team 2.
They are the first of the Rwanda teams to go out today. Across the ice bath. The fastest time last year for the Rwanda teams was 2:53.6. So that'll be their personal target. They want to go quicker than that this year. Sniper with the magazine in his mouth. I haven't seen that before. 4 rounds of ammunition in that magazine. He's got it between his teeth. Raymond says, I love Rwanda and their RMP. Yes, there's a lot of your fellow countrymen and women that are currently watching live. He's taking his time with this shot. There goes the first, and it's good. I think he did that in about 1:24, if I saw the clock correctly. Any sniper who gets their first shot away around the 50-second mark, certainly under a minute anyway, it means it's going to be a healthy run, barring any hiccups, of course. Looks okay. 3 out of 3. He's got 1 more. And make the sprint for the finish. Oh, just a little bit of a delay with the sniper because he took a bit of time on that first shot and the last shot. His assaulter could have had to wait for him to get in the position before he can be lifted onto the shoulder and then shoved across that zip line. So that's cost them time, and I don't think they're going to come home any quicker than they did last year. Remember, 2:53 was their time last year. We've crossed the 3-minute mark. So they are slower than what they did in 2025 across the finish line in 3:12 dead. Rwanda Team 2, the first of the Rwanda teams to go out this year.